Okay, good morning, boys and girls. It is still Wednesday, September the 30th, and we are ready for writing. This will be the last video put up for this morning, and then after lunch sometime around 1:30-ish, 1:45, somewhere around in there, that is when I'll have your math lesson up, okay? And then we'll talk about science at that point. So, this is writing, and this is for this morning. Yesterday, when we talked about writing, we talked about those action verbs. Yes, those verbs that you can do. Okay, you have to be able to do it if it's an action verb. Okay, so like I put some words up on the board and I said run, and you ran in place. I put the word walk and you just walked. Okay, I put the smile and you smiled. Okay, so those are action verbs, things that you can do. And then we always ask ourselves that question. Well, how do I know? I can do it. Well, how do you know it's an action verb? I can do it. Okay, so that's what we're going to do today. So today we have our pictures, kind of like what we did with our noun page last week. This is our action verb page. Okay, so if you go to the first page, it has this little hedgehog, and he says write. Well, the first page thing you're going to do is you're going to put your name on it. Go on and put your name on it someplace. I don't really care if it's here, or if it's here by the hedgehog, well, maybe above the hedgehog. Okay? Get your name on it. I am grading this, so you need to do every one on every side. All the steps to get all the points. Okay? So, let's look at the word write. We have that hedgehog, write. Okay, my verb, what is my verb? Yeah, the word write. So, that's what I'm going to put on the line. Write. Okay? That's what I did. There were some of you with the verbs, you forgot to put the words on the line. That got your points off because you didn't put the word. What is the picture? Write. So we write it on the line. Okay. And then the next line says, how do I know? You can do it. So we need to put the word do. You can do it. Okay? You need to put the word do. Okay, let's go down here and let's look at this one. And then you're going to be on your own after this. We have a hippopotamus. And what is my little hippopotamus doing? Dance. She can dance. Can you dance? Yeah, you can dance. So dance is the verb. So what is the verb? Dance. So we're going to write dance on the line. It's right there for you to copy. Okay, then we got, how do you know? You can blank it. How do you know? You can blank it. Is it do or touch? It's do. So circle it and write it. You can do it. That's how you know. You can do it. Okay, so we got the first page finished. You have these two. You have these two. You have these two. You have these two. And you have the last two. You have to do all the pages. Each time you're going to get a point for writing the verb. You're going to get a point for writing do, and you're going to get a point for circling. Each picture is worth 3 points. That's a lot of points. If you don't do one of them, you miss 1 point. Okay? If you don't do 2 of them out of that group, you miss 2 points. If you don't do the picture at all, you miss 3 points. And if you want to, because this is the last video and you don't have anything to do before you eat lunch or you get bored, you may color these pictures very pretty for me. Okay? And that is your writing for today. Okay? the action verbs. How do you know? You can do it. You can do it. Okay, good luck on that page, and I will have your math up sometime around 1:30, 1:45. See you then.